Welcome to Sim Insights Virtual Chemistry Lab. Today, you will be exploring and learning about different states of water, solid, liquid and gas. Water is a ubiquitous substance that can exist in different states, depending on its temperature and pressure. The three states of water are solid, liquid and gas. These states of water are commonly known as ice, water and vapor respectively. These three states of water are interconnected and can change from one state to another depending on the temperature and atmospheric pressure. The beaker contains ice. This is water in solid state. Use the highlighted beaker to know more about solid state. When water is frozen, it turns into a solid state, which is commonly known as ice. In this state, the water molecules are arranged in a regular, crystalline structure. The temperature at which water freezes depends on the pressure, but at standard atmospheric pressure, it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the beaker contains water. This is water in liquid state. Use the highlighted beaker to know more about liquid state. When the temperature of water rises above 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it becomes a liquid. In this state, the water molecules are no longer locked into a crystalline structure, but instead are able to flow freely, taking on the shape of the container they are in. The temperature range in which water remains a liquid is from 0 degrees Celsius to 10. When liquid is heated, it turns into gaseous state from liquid state. Water can also exist in a gaseous state, known as water vapor. This occurs when liquid water is heated to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at standard atmospheric pressure. In this state, water molecules are not closely packed together, but instead are spread out and move around freely. Water vapor is invisible to the naked eye, but it. Grab the beaker and place it on the heat plate. Water can also exist in a gaseous state, known as water vapor. This occurs when liquid water is heated to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at standard atmospheric pressure. In this state, water molecules are not closely packed together, but instead are spread out and move around freely. Water vapor is invisible to the naked eye, but it can be seen as fog, steam, or mist when it condenses.
What is boiling point of water?
Correct. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
When a solid is heated, it changes into a liquid. What do we call this process?
Correct. Ice is a solid. If you heat it, it melts and becomes a liquid, water.
What is the freezing point of water?
Correct. The Celsius temperature scale is based on the freezing and boiling points of water. 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, is the freezing point, and 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, is the boiling point.